Guys, today we're going to be filming a full face of Plouise makeup, which I'm really excited about. I've decided to go with the Money Shop palette today. It's full of these beautiful, stunning greens, but I do have a very specific look in mind for today. I really want to do something like khaki and gold and just, I don't know, something really super pretty. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I've got pretty much everything that Plouise make. The only thing I don't have is like a mascara, and I also don't have their new powder, but apart from that I think I have pretty much everything else. I didn't use their brow products today. I do have a brow gel by them, and I did also have a brow pencil up until recently when it became an empty, but I just thought I'm not doing the brows on camera anyway, so yeah, I'm really hoping to see some more products from them in the future. I would love to see like a foundation and a concealer. I feel like they do like such a good one. So just starting by priming my eyes, and I think we're gonna do a full cut crease today. That's the aim. I do love Plouise. I think they're such an amazing brand, one of my all-time faves, so very exciting. So I'm going to take like the bottom layer of this Money Shop palette, and I think the first shade I'm going to start with the shade called Modern Picture, I think, and it's this one here, and I'm going to put that like lightly, that's going to go like close to the brow bone. I love a good khaki eyeshadow. I feel like I haven't done khaki in a while. I could be wrong, but I also really enjoy Plouise shadows, but I'm sure you guys already know that. I just feel like the formula is really nice. They're super pigmented. I love their colour stories. I don't know if they've come out with a colour story that I've been like, so it's always good. Oops, I wish I hadn't brought it up that high, but it's happened now, so. I was just at my mum's house before and she had Malcolm in the Middle on the TV. That's such a good show. I haven't seen it in so long, but now like the little theme song is stuck in my head. So, yes, no, maybe, I don't know. Can you repeat the question? Such a good show. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna take like a big fluffy brush and just kind of, yeah, blend that out, I guess. Okay, the next shade I'm going to take is called Riches. And this is where we get into our more like khaki. This is like a beautiful like camo green. Gonna start using that like just below and using it to like start to deepen things up a little bit. The shade's a little bit patchy, but we should be able to fix it, hopefully. Just gonna blend that. You're not the boss of me now, and you're not big. That's gonna be stuck in my head like for the rest of the night, I reckon. And the worst thing is like, so obviously I film these videos and then, you know, normally like a couple of days later I'll edit them. So I have a song stuck in my head for a couple of days and I'll be singing it like while I'm filming these videos. And then like it finally gets out of my head and everything's all good, and then I edit the videos. And the song gets stuck in my head because like I'm singing it like, and then like I hear it again when I'm editing and I'm like, damn it. Happens all the time. I'm just going back into that first shade we took and just like buffing that around the edge. Just taking a clean brush now. I still wish that I didn't bring it up so high, but nothing I can do now. Okay. Now I'm going into the shade called Riches and, oh no, sorry, we just took Riches. I'm going into the shade called Director, and this is kind of like getting into like a browny kind of khaki. I'm going to keep this one like closer to where we're going to cut the crease. I go away in less than 2 weeks, so I'm really trying to like pre-film as much as I can at the moment, and I'm also trying to work a lot so that, you know, build up money and things like that for the holiday. It's a little bit like a catch-22 at the moment because I'm trying to film heaps and then also trying to work a lot as well, and I was like, oh, but anyway, it'll be worth it. I'm really excited, scared as well, because I am like in a bit more like of, I guess, a high up position at my job. So it's not the same these days. It's just kind of the jobs that I do, if I don't do them, no one else is going to do them, if you know what I mean. So it's not like someone else can kind of do them while I'm not there, if you know what I mean. So I need to make sure that all of my work and stuff is done before I go. And yeah, it's stressful. It's good though. Like I enjoy the responsibility. I'm going back into the richer shade and using that to blend this. But yeah, like I enjoy the responsibility a lot. It's just obviously like when it comes to things like this, like going away and things like that. Like obviously it's fine, like we'll manage. But it is obviously just that little bit more intimidating, I guess. Like making sure that everything's done before you go. All that type of stuff. I'm worried that I haven't brought it up enough and that when I cut the crease it's gonna like be down too low. I'm gonna go into the deepest brown now, and it's called Nomination, and I'm just using that to really kind of deepen this up before. I really hope this comes together kind of how I had it pictured in my head. So last week I played my netball semi-final and we won, which means that we're into the grand final, which is so exciting. So that's next week, the day before we leave for our holiday. We made it into the grand final last season as well, but we lost. I was so close. So I'm really hoping that we get the win this time. It's only social netball, like, and obviously it's like just a game or whatever. But like, you know, it's still a lot of fun, and I still really enjoy playing. And yeah, obviously it's nice to win. So it'd just be really cool if we could. Okay, I'm going to take the shade called Riches again and like just blend this. Make sure it's all cohesive before we cut the crease. Alright, I'm going to go and cut the crease now. Okay, so I've cut the crease now. I think I'm going to take like a matte shade and then put like a shimmer in the middle. I don't know if it'll work. Like, I don't know if it'll look really weird, but I just don't want to put like a shimmer the whole way across because... So I think I'm going to start by taking the shade called... Do I want to take this one? Or there's... Maybe I'll take this one. It's called Break a Leg. So I'm going to start by putting that down first. And like... I'll bring it kind of like halfway along, I guess. I don't know. I feel like whenever I put shimmer over the whole thing, it just doesn't like look as good as... Yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't really look that great. So... Today I just thought I'd do something a little bit different like that, and then I don't know what shimmer to put in there. That's cool, but that's maybe that. I'm gonna put the one there called So Flashy. I hope this looks okay. I like the shimmer, I think. I don't think I like the other shade, to be honest, the matte shade. I wonder if I can... There's this one. I might take this one called 4K. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let me put this on and then we'll fix up the shimmer. Now we have that on. Go back into that shimmer. I think it looks okay. I can't really tell. Do the same over the other side. Is that noticeable how different colour they are? Kind of is, isn't it? Damn it. I'm going to have to make them match. Hopefully that's okay. I think that should be okay. Now, guys, what I'm going to do is in the budget box, they came out these new glitter liners and I'm going to try one of those out today. So there's two shades in here. Hopefully one of them matches. So the first one is Heart's Desire. This looks like quite pinky. And then there's Inner Calling. Now that I'm looking at them, I don't know if either of them match. Maybe, I think Heart's Desire might. Let's try that one. Let's hope, anyway. So let's give these a go. I've never used these before. They're like a brand new product to Plouise, so. Cute. That's so nice. The brush is really nice and precise, which is so handy. And they're super opaque and so glittery and pretty. I love these. I really hope they come out with more shades of these. How pretty is that? So stunning. I love that. That's actually stunning. Alright. Guys, we've spent so long on this one eye look, but one last thing to do, and that's a little bit of liner. I'm going to take this one today. I'm going to take the brown liner. I'm going to use the deepest brown, which is tiramisu. These need a good mix up. I'm just going to do one side and then I'm going to do the rest off camera because this has taken so long. These are also super easy to use. The brush is so fine and so great for like precise liquid liner, which is so helpful. Okay, I'm going to go off camera, fix all this up, apply some lashes, and then I'll be back for us to try out face products. Okay, so I went in with the Foxy Flicks lashes. Yeah, Foxy Flicks. I also used my Plouise primer, which is this one here. It's the Partner in Prime. And then I just used other foundation and stuff. I've used this bronzer palette the last couple of days and I've been noticing that it's a bit like red undertoned, so I don't know if I'm using the wrong shade. We're gonna try a different shade today. I think I'm gonna try this one. I've been using this one, but it's just coming up like really red, so I'm gonna try him today. And then if he doesn't work, I feel like this might be like a declutter. It might just not be my shade, but maybe I've just been using the wrong shade, so we're trying again. I feel like this already looks a lot better, and I feel like there is a possibility that maybe I was just using a shade that wasn't right for me. This is the Just Roll With It bronzer palette. It came out at Christmas time in the advent calendar last year. I feel like this shade's already looking better, so thank God. It's good. I think, yeah, maybe it was just a thing of I was not using the right shade for me. I want to try this soon as like eyeshadow, because obviously I can only use like 1 or 2 shades out of this palette like as bronzer, so I'd really like to, you know, try it as eyeshadow soon. It's such a cute palette, and yeah, one thing I love is a gingerbread man. I think gingerbread man is so cute, so I feel like I'm a bit far off. So yeah, I got completely sucked in with this palette. Let's have a look. Yeah, I feel like that is miles better than how it's looked the last couple of days. So yeah, I think that might have been on me for just using the wrong shade. I was going to take this blush palette. This is the See Colour in Your Darkest Days Destiny's Door, but I don't know if any of these will match today. I'd like to kind of use a cream one, but I don't know if it'll work over all of this powder. I don't know. I'm just going to take the lightest pink out of this one, to be honest. I feel like today's look is not very blushy because it's obviously green. So I'm just going to put a little flush on the cheeks. I feel like this is like a great shade. Perfect. I don't need too much at all. Yep, I like that. So I just used that one there. Alright, let's do some highlight. I'm going to take this. This is in the shade Shining Through. I'm so excited. This is such a beautiful highlight. Can you see that? Of course you can see it. It's blinding. Oh, I just think this is absolutely such a beautiful shade. Is that like not one of the prettiest shades you've ever seen? I'm going to set my face with the Plouise Ready, Set, Slay. Love setting spray. And I'm really excited because I'm going to try a lip paint today, and I've never used those. So these came in the budget box as well. I think I'm going to take No Sensor today. First, I'm going to line my lips with the lip liner in Totally Scrumptious. I really enjoy the Plouise lip liners. They're so like creamy and really pigmented. And I really like this shade. I think it's really pretty. I'm hoping this will go over the top. Alright. I feel like this is such a weird formula. It's called a lip base. It feels really like lightweight. It's odd. Uh-oh. I mucked up. I put too much like right on the edge of my lips. We could have a big problem. I need to get like a... need to do like a rescue mission. Yeah, it's a really weird formula. Like, it's not bad or anything. And just this... oh my god. It's really, really lightweight. I feel like I've never kind of had a formula like that. But it looks nice. Like, it's really pigmented. But yeah, it feels really odd on the lips. Like, super lightweight. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go and do my hair and then we'll be back and I'll show you the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm actually obsessed. I think this looks so pretty. I'm really, really happy with it. So here is a close-up. I'm really impressed with that new little glitter liner thing that we tried. And I also think this lip base is really, really nice. And I think that was everything new that we tried today, was it? I think so. Anyway, yes, it was. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I feel like I've said it so many times, but Plouise is one of my all-time favourite brands and I really do love them so much. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next video. Bye!